Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your current data usage period on the iPhone. So, as you can see in front of me is an iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4. So, if you want to check your data usage of your current period, you want to go to settings and then go to the mobile service option. So just click on this one, and then if you go down, swipe down a little bit, you're going to find your current period usage and your current period roaming usage. And also apps by usage, which apps used the most part of your package, the internet package from your provider. So as you can see, you can sort them by usage and also by the name of the specific apps. And here is your current period and current period roaming. If you swap down a little bit, you have this call time also, and here you have this last reset that was today, because today is 11th of the March. So from that time, as you can see, my current period of mobile data usage is only 1.4 megabytes, so it's not so much, but here is how you can check it. And also, if you go down, you can reset your statistics from the time that it was last resetted. So it is going to be wiped out, and you can track your usage from the time that you reset. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.